How to message someone on Threads app. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily message anyone on the Threads app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. So the first thing that you need to do is if you want to message someone, you just want to head over to their profile. So for example, if I want to message this person right here, I am just gonna go ahead and tap on their profile, and as you can see there is no message button available on their profile. There is only follow and mention. You can try to mention them on a thread like this and create a new thread, but it won't be a private DM. All of your followers will be able to see this. So there is no direct way where you can send a direct message on thread, but what you can do is select the person that you want to message and head over to their profile. Once you get to their threads profile at the top, you will see their Instagram profile. Just tap on it because the threads will be connected with their Instagram. And if they have a public Instagram account, you will be able to message them. So let me just choose another account right here. So I'm just going to open up my threads again and choose a different person from here. So I'm just going to choose this person right here, tap on their Instagram profile, and as you can see here, this guy is a photographer, and if I want to message him, I can just tap right here and tell him a quick hi like this. So this is the only way as of now for you to message someone via threads. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.